He hit that with the Olympic lay down snow toboggan. Yeah, that's why we shouldn't maybe do that. Good morning! Welcome back to another day of Vlogmas. This morning we are going to be headed out, probably doing some sledding. I don't know if I'll do the sledding, but I'll watch. I'll be there to mentally, you know, support them. But will I go up and down the hills on the sled? Chances are slim. I think we're also gonna put up our tree today and maybe check out some Christmas lights. You know, like a nice little fancy neighborhood where they actually do the decorations outside and stuff. But we'll see where the day leads us. Starting the morning off with a big old breakfast. I had like chicken sausage, I had ham, eggs, a waffle. It was a big breakfast. Now we're drinking the coffee. Let's see what this day of Vlogmas gets us into. We're looking for places to sled, and I just realized my camera's almost dead. Super cute. Maybe I have a charger in here. You can park here. I'll just walk out there with you. I don't think we'll be out there longer than 10-15 minutes probably. It's giving turtle. Immediately, we're in the snow. It looks like other people have the same exact ideas. Richie, don't be doing that. No, not a snowboard. And this is why I'm not sledding, because every time I sled, I never want to sled in the first place. But then my friends are like, no, come on, you gotta do it. You know, it's fun. And I get peer pressured into sledding. And you know what happens? I hurt myself. And this is probably why we start off with a little skateboard sled here. Oh my gosh. You gotta push yourself. Oh, you gotta put your belly back. Yeah, you gotta sit back in there more. Scoot your knees back. There you go. Physics. I don't know if that's actually physics. Try going down that side, I mean, I guess. Go on that side where those girls went down. Yeah, bro. No, look where they started theirs, bro. You gotta go right there, me. I don't know. It looks like it's kind of like a bigger hump right here. Yo, go down their tracks. Yeah. It's already pushed down. See if maybe it's easier. Yeah, see, it's already pushing. Alright, sit in there. Wow. I'm not sending anything.
Yeah, he's in the slide. Of course, man.
Ricky, sit down. And he sat. Yo, you think he's gonna make it down? Oh my gosh. How about we don't do that, Ricky? Yeah, that's why we shouldn't maybe do that. See, this is why I don't go sledding, because I always end up getting hurt. That's what I was telling the viewers here. Yo, just sit down again. Try it again. Oh my gosh. You gotta turn your sled first. He's gone into the snow. Yeah, that's where we belong, on our butts, sitting down.
Retry that.
Now we need to be sitting, bruh. How about we don't do that? Okay.
Oh, yeah.
I mean, I guess that was a little bit cooler. Not as intense. This is scary, y'all. I don't know. I thought this was, it's fun. They're having a good time. But I'm scared. So, in the 2 times of sledding, that's when I hurt myself. We were purposefully going off a ramp, but it was like way bigger than this. This is a little bump. But we were going like off, we literally packed up the snow and made a ramp. Hurt myself. The other time, I was on a sled with 2 of my other friends, and we went straight into a fence. Don't ask me about it. Hey. Hey. All right, what's your rating? What's the rating out of 5 snowflakes?
3.
You give it
2.5.
You give it a 2.5 snowflakes? All right, Dylan, what's your?
Better over here.
Wait, what?
It was better over here.
Better over here.
Just a little flat.
Yeah. Dylan, how do you rate this out of 5 snowflakes? How many snowflakes do you give it?
6.
6 out of 5? Oh, okay, okay.
Thank you, help me.
All right, they're gonna race. I'll talk to you guys in a little bit. Okay, we've pulled up to the second spot.
You have a whole bunch of ice on top of the floor.
Yeah. All right, this is the scope out here. Let's see.
Top of your car, Dad, look.
Go look down at the bottom, because that looks like it's a huge hump. Go look. You should literally just hold your feet down or something and not go as slow or not go as fast. I don't know if you guys can see this, but there's like a huge hump at the end. Yeah, and you should put your feet down in case you need to slow down. Okay, I guess it wasn't as bad as I thought it was. Oh man, he's like... I think he got a little bit of snow on his face or whatever. That's also the first thing when I went sledding, the thing I hated. My dad and mom recorded it on like a VHS tape, and as I get down at the bottom of the hill, you could like just see the snow on my face, and I was like, yeah, can we go home? I did it. Like a fun one.
Babes are trash.
All right, first run. What do you rate it out of 5 snowflakes?
The speed, 5.
Okay, 5. What do you rate this one out of 5 snowflakes?
5.
5.
Pretty fast, man.
Pretty fast. Super fast.
You only down? You hit the lump spot.
And he's going back and forth and back and forth and all the way around. And I would scoot over here because you're kind of diagonal, but I don't really know. I'm the back seat
I'm trying to hit this bump right here.
snow slitter. Trying to hit this bump is what gets people hurt. Okay, that looked pretty fun. He hit that with the Olympic lay down, you know, snow toboggan pose at the end. I'll catch you guys up if we go to another spot here. They're having a good time, it looks like so far. Okay, we took a little break, stopped at Grandma's house, and now we're going to get some stuff for school lunch tomorrow at the Aldi. We're back at the Aldi. So we ended up getting stuff for taco in a bag to eat today.
Alright, there we go.
Yummy, yummy. And we've made it to our last sledding spot. We came out here at like noon starting, and now it's 3.
Yeah, they found a free sled here.
Oh yeah?
They asked me, said, is this yours, man? So easy.
Yeah, there's a leftover sled here.
Someone tapped out.
Alright, this is our next hill though.
Right there.
Looking pretty good. It's looking pretty good over there, Ricky. Hey.
The whole way. Double fail. You gotta try that one again.
You guys are gonna run into each other. Whee! I should walk up the other side next. Alright. Dylan, what do you
See that ramp?
what do you rate this one, guys? Out of 5 snowflakes, how many snowflakes?
I think we gotta try that side too.
Yeah, try the other side?
To rate it.
Okay. You rate it after you try the other side. A ramp.
You want me to go first this one?
No, you go first.
Alright, this is the ramp.
See what it is.
This is the ramp. Oh yeah, that's definitely a hill right there. Your turn. Whee! Solid. Wait. Okay.
5 out of 5.
You said 5 out of 5? Okay. Ricky, what do you say out of this one? How many snowflakes? Dylan said 5. 4? It looks like Dylan's trying to use the sled that got left here. So, it's been about a half hour here. They really like this hill. Let me turn it around. But yeah, I think we've got like a few more minutes and then we're gonna head home, make some taco in a bag. That was Dylan's idea today. I was just gonna do pasta, but he seen some Doritos at Aldi and was like, hey, do you guys like taco in a bag? He said, yeah, do you want to do that for dinner? We could do that. So, that's what we're doing. Let's see. Is he gonna go again? Or is he done? I think that means he's gonna go again. Yep. They're still going. Ooh. Made some taco salad, I guess, because we don't have it in the bag, but same stuff. Yummy, yummy. It's happening.